Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm at this vending machine. We are not going to look at the other side because it's only Hot Wheels and uninteresting. Okay, 75 ringgit for this colorful Nissan Silvia, and you get a Proton Saga. This is a pack warmer, the Nissan twin set, Lamborghini, and a Proton Saga. Hot Wheels Silver Series, a Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo, Pop Race Mini GT. This Honda Civic at 1/64 scale is very nice. In the box, not sure the actual diecast inside. Okay, Liberty works with Proton Saga, and there is an error. You see the B pillar is snapped off or missing. Now some people collect that. I think that is a flaw. 100 ringgit for this Nissan GTR 32. Kaido House BMW with the Proton Saga. This is a better combo, but still at 85 ringgit. It's a lot. Pop Race Toyota GD86. No, it's a Subaru BRZ. Then there's a Mitsubishi Lancer. Now all these are in boxes, so we can't see what's inside. This they have taken it out to show us. So anyway, just want to show you the one with the error. Some say error will fetch a high price, but it's not my thing. So anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.